Hi there, and welcome back. Choosing the right payment provider can have a direct impact on your checkout performance. Solidgate is a modern payment platform designed specifically for digital businesses, helping merchants process payments globally while maintaining high approval rates and a smooth customer experience. Today, we'll connect Solidgate to Checkify Plus and get it ready for accepting payments on your checkout page. But before we begin, make sure you have an active Solidgate merchant account and access to the live environment. So let's start the setup. Open your Checkify Plus admin panel and navigate to Payment Methods. Find Solidgate in the list of available payment providers and click Connect. You'll notice that Checkify requests three credentials: public key, secret key, and a webhook. So switch to your Solidgate merchant dashboard. Click on Developers and stay in the Channels section where your API credentials are stored. Here, choose the corresponding channel and copy your keys. After that, return to Checkify and just paste those keys into the corresponding fields. Next, let's configure the webhook. Copy the link from the instructions right in front of you and go back to your channel in Solidgate Developers. And at the bottom of the page, you'll find a button labeled Add an Endpoint. Click on it and then pick the required events from the drop-down menu, one by one. Received card dispute, received PayPal dispute, updated alternative order, and updated card order. Also, paste the link we copied earlier from the Solidgate page into Checkify Plus and finally, save it. Once the webhook is created, copy the generated webhook secret and paste it into the third field in Checkify. Before activating the integration, you can also configure a few additional options. For example, you can limit the list of available currencies if you only want to process payments in specific currencies, or keep the default configuration for maximum international coverage. Or you can also define the countries where Solidgate should be displayed, giving you more control over the payment methods available to different customer groups. Once everything is configured, click Connect. The integration will become active immediately. So now let's verify the result. Simply open the Buy Link section and choose any checkout link. As you can see, Solidgate is now available on the checkout page and ready to process payments. Checkify's optimized checkout experience perfectly complements Solidgate's payment processing capabilities, creating a smooth and reliable purchase flow. And that's it. Solidgate is now successfully connected and ready to accept payments. Feel free to save this video if it helped you connect Solidgate with Checkify, and let us know which payment provider you'd like us to cover next. We'll cover those next.